All right, guys, Rooster here in Tennessee, continuing on. Carl built C-40, single transistor, one pill, whatever you want to call it. Single 2290 mobile amp. Awesome amp to run with a straight 4-pill. You could probably even run it into like a 2-pill 2879C if you're really wanting to drive it hard. But these have been in demand for a while. This one's from Mr. Roger. And, excuse me, we're just going to test it and make sure the output's good with it. Obviously, from the biggest to the smallest, we test all of them that come through here before they go out. Doesn't matter if it's a Carl built, Fat Boy, doesn't matter. They all get tested before they leave here. So, 1,000-watt slugs, what we're testing on, that just so happens to be what we've still got in the meter over there. We'll show you how much current that it draws. Going to test at 14.6, 14.5. We're hitting it with about 35 watts PEP and probably about 2 or 3 watt dead key. I believe on the back of it, it says do not run the amp itself over a 40 watt dead key, so we'll probably try to stay between that. Probably takes 2 to 3 watts to get to do 40, depending on how much voltage you have feeding the amp. Okay, that being said, let's go ahead and just give this thing an audio, see what it draws on the clamp meter. Audio, 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 audio. So almost, well, right at 9 amps. Right there at the end, it showed about 9 amps. We do have the variable wide open. So let's come over here to the watt meter. See what this guy's doing. We've got it on peak, so we're going to go ahead and look at the bottom scale. Hello, audio, 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 audio. And this one's doing about 125. So usually on these, you can expect somewhere between 125 and 145. And this one, you know, it's showing just past 100 there. So we'll call that 120, 125. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, audio. Perfect to drive into a straight 4-pill. While we're on peak, let's go ahead and cut it back and see what it cuts back to. We're going to go halfway here. Radio check, radio check, radio check. So halfway it cuts back to about 100 watts PEP. Let's go to 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, just below 100. Maybe about the same. And then all the way down, this is with the variable all the way down. Radio check, radio check, radio check, radio check, radio check, radio check, audio. So about 95 all the way down. So around 125 all the way up, around 95 all the way down. Let's go to average power. As you can see, we're keying about 40 watts, dead key. Hello, and it swings about 60. Hello, audio. Hello. With the right voice tone, maybe a little bit more than 60, but about 60 watts average, and that's about what you can expect out of a single 2290. Now, obviously, if we bypass the variable, yes, it would probably come up a little bit. You're probably going to save 15 to 20 more watts PEP out of this amp if you bypass the variable, but it's working as intended. You know, that would kind of defeat the purpose of what this amp was designed for. So Carl built C-40. We'll be doing some more videos on these. Got some videos coming up on these and the C-80. Hope this one does what Mr. Roger expects it to do and gets the job done for him. I like them a lot. Carl built C-40. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.